The Ministry of Labor and Social Security has confirmed that a Jamaican farm worker working in Canada has died. Greetings, families and friends. Thank you for tuning in to the Rastaman channel. You know I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. If you have not subscribed as yet, families and friends, hit that red subscribe button. Build up the Rastaman channel. The Jamaican Ministry of Labor and Social Security has confirmed that a Jamaican working in Canada as a farm worker has died. The man, Daniel Brown, who was pronounced dead on October 8. In a release today, the ministry advised that the acting chief liaison officer, Althea Riley, was contacted and advised that Brown had been found unresponsive in his room by one of his co-workers. The paramedics were immediately called and he was pronounced dead. The ministry said. It added that a report returned home from work. He reported returned from work the previous evening, prepared a meal, and went to bed as usual. After receiving this information, the ministry said senior member of his family, service unit, and liaison service met with Brown's next of kin to offer support and provide updates. Subsequently, the team has visited Mr. Brown's next of kin on several occasions since his passing, the ministry said. According to the release, the ministry has also consistently kept the family updated on matters related to Mr. Brown's passing and has shared any new information received by the coroner and other entitled in Canada as soon as it is received. The ministry extended condolence to Mr. Brown's family and friends and will continue to provide support to the family in their times of bereavement and needs, they said. Meanwhile, portfolio Prime Minister Pernell George Jr., also with a high-level dignitary from the ministry, has arrived in Canada on Sunday. In an early release, the ministry said that trip core objective is to engage with officials and key stakeholders pertaining to the farm workers program. The minister is expected to journey to several farms to engage in intensive discussions with the farmers on the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, it's another Jamaican going abroad looking for a better life. Unfortunately, lost his life. Condolences to Mr. Brown's family, and I hope the acting chief liaison officer Althea Riley look into the improvements of these farm workers' lives, the facilities that they're working, make sure that they have proper medical care, checkup, because we cannot continue to send our good Jamaicans a Canada figure dead off, cause on a 1 nor 2, them a chop them off like them they off a wharf. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here, reporting a farm worker from Jamaica working in Canada has passed away. His name is Mr. Brown, to be exact, Daniel Brown. He was pronounced dead October 8th. It's being reported that he made some food as usual, went to bed, never woke up. A co-worker found him dead. The paramedics came on spot and pronounced him gone. His body did cold, it wasn't hot. Subscribe, like, and share to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure when you are leave your yard or go abroad, you understand what I want. Sometimes you don't make it back. So make sure you have everything locked. One love.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And it's so black people I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep root flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them will them shit and look how much them put under. How much of the youth them will them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari Soldier, fire king. Yeah, balang bang,
Pick up people, TV, respect, make sure to tune in, we are every time.